What did Tesla do today, considering that tomorrow Elon is going to talk about the robo-taxi? Let's take a look at it. Right now, we closed at 241.05, $3.45 down. Post-market, we seem to be up by 38 cents. Let's take a look at what we have here on the chart. We are not too surprised. We are stuck between 238.09 and 265.32. There's a balance between the buyers and sellers. Everything that's happening in here is pretty much noise. And we are into equilibrium balance between the buyers and sellers. So how do we know when the balance is going to be broken? We are going to know when we close below 238.09 or when we close above 265.32. This is how we are going to know. Nobody knows when this is going to happen. We can all speculate. Well, maybe tomorrow something is going to happen with the event, or October 23rd, when Tesla is going to publish its earnings, we are going to know about the profits, about the outlook, the future outlooks and everything. So that might change people's mind about Tesla, and they might decide to buy more, buy less, and this is going to influence the supply and demand of Tesla. So on this channel, we are analyzing the supply and demand. We look at the news a little bit, blah, 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 but it's supply and demand that determines if prices are going to go up or down. That's it. Supply and demand. So this is not like looking at the green tea leaves at the bottom of a cup. This is not like looking at a crystal ball. This is looking at the actual price over time. And price moves in pattern. When price starts to go down, it tends to continue going down. When it stops going down and it starts to go sideways, it tends to go sideways for a significant amount of time, a significant enough amount of time. And when it goes up, the same thing right here. And we use all these patterns and changes in patterns to identify buy signals. You know, these are the buy signals that we had in 2023. You can go back to my videos. I have all my YouTube videos. I have 1,500 of them since the past 3 years. I do every single day. Friday, January 20th, 2023, you can go and watch my video. Buy. Now, with the same rules, these were all the buys. You decide when you want to sell. You decide. This is a personal opinion. Buying is less of a personal opinion. So this is what we do on this channel. So right now we are in waiting mode. We can decide to speculate because right now we are going sideways. Tesla is going sideways and there is noise between 238 and 265. Have nothing to do. We are going to do, as I said yesterday, we are going to do technical analysis on Friday, because on Friday, we are going to see the impact on the supply and demand of what happened tomorrow. If we take a look at the 1 hour chart, this resistance right here that we caved under yesterday, we could not close. Look at this. We broke it for 1 hour. Next hour, boom, we were back down. So this is an important resistance. So right now we have no indications that the buyers want to overpower the seller. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. VIX is going down, 0.56 down, 2.61%. This is nice. VIX is cooling down a little bit. We are still quite high at 20. Hopefully we are going to come further down. So what is going to be announced tomorrow for Tesla might be able to convince so many people that things are going to go up. This is possible, going in opposition to where the market is going. This is possible. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So this is interesting. So we had resistance that we could not break, 42,343. You see this? Tried it, but nobody wanted to go higher than that. Well, this is an aggregation of a bunch of stocks, but basically nobody wanted to pay higher. Now, boom, we have this move right here. So Dow Jones is giving us a very nice buy signal right here. Let's take a look at S&P 500. S&P 500, we are above this diagonal resistance, which we had a hard time breaking and closing above for a week. This is interesting. So the markets are moving. And yesterday we had the break, 19,938. So it seems like we want to go a little bit further up. The market wants to go up. Let's take a look at a few stocks that we are watching in the community. Palantir, look at this. Palantir continuing, we are 4% up. And SMCI right here, we are waiting for the buy signal at 48.38. If you want to get those buy signals, you need to be part of my community, or at least be a member at the buy alert level. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.